Dreading spring cleaning? Fear not. Lifestyle expert Denise Wild has some simple hacks to get you to where you need to go when it comes to cleaning up your house.
Yes, aren't we all dreading it?
I like spring cleaning. I find it therapeutic. It's time, you know, the fresh
air. And it feels good. Feels good to get that house in order, get things cleaned up.
Yeah.
Okay,
all right,
perfect.
so where do you want to start here?
Let's start with the textiles because if you haven't washed it all winter, now is the time. I'm talking about blankets, stuffies, those pillow covers. Take them, throw them in the wash, look after them, but we're looking choose tools that will help you work smarter, not harder.
Yes.
So this is the OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover Spray. It has a power of 5 stain removers in one. Whoa. It even works on those set-in stains. I have a 3-year-old boy, so I can attest this works on everything. And then this is the OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover. You toss it into the laundry. It makes every load cleaner, whiter, brighter.
Nice.
There's no bleach, so it's color safe. And, you know, of course, you can put it in your laundry, but you can also use it on your carpets, on your couches, even as a kitchen and sink bathroom surface cleaner. So this OxiClean has over 100 different ways to use it.
Wow.
It's just a great product, and it's about choosing those products that will be multi-purpose and that will work harder for you.
Yeah, that versatility is awesome.
Exactly.
All right, from some tools to some better systems.
Exactly. So let's look at decanting, which is taking food items out of their original packaging, putting them into something that is more aesthetic, more beautiful. These are all from IKEA. So we're doing this to our pantry, which will make it look better, but it will also help to remove that visual clutter. It's kind of better for your well-being. You know, everything's more organized, makes it easier for your brain to process. The IKEA has so many affordable food storage solutions. These are all glass. Most of them have airtight lids. Their 365 Plus collection has oven-proof glass, and then it's also stackable. So it's just a great way to elevate your pantry, make everything feel more premium, and then also give you better peace of mind when you're going in there. You know, it's the busiest room in the house. You have to have it under control.
And if you have the counter space, this could be a decorative piece to that space.
Absolutely, yes. I have some of these on my counter with, you know, you can have snacks, but you can also put decorations inside. And
when you want to do that midnight snacking, this is very quiet.
Right, exactly.
As opposed to cracking open something.
Yes, I'm a big, you know, cereal midnight snack fan too.
All right, so some thoughtful choices we can make as well.
Exactly. So in honor of Earth Month, let's make some sustainable swaps and kind of better choices with your products. This is Who Gives a Crap toilet paper.
I love it.
Yes. So fun to look at, also fun to say. They are super soft, eco-friendly toilet paper rolls made with 100% recycled or 100% bamboo fibers. They have a subscription service that delivers right to your door, and they donate 50% of their profits to help improve access to clean water and sanitation globally. So it's something that you use every day, but then you can feel good about those choices that you're making. And it's really about those smart choices, those smart upgrades. I've been on their website. It is truly inspiring. That's Who Gives a Crap. And, you know, they have these beautiful packages.
They're awesome.
So it's great to put in your, you know, main bathroom when guests come over, topic of conversation.
Absolutely.
Also, every roll has 360 to 400 sheets on it, which is double what the typical supermarket toilet paper roll has. So it's a great value too.
It's a win-win.
Yes.
What's your favorite color there? I kind of like the blue and the yellow.
You know,
that really pops.
Right, it does. It does. It's a lot of fun. I prefer the black and white.
A little more subtle.
Keep it, you know, nice and like cool. But yeah, it looks great on your countertop, and you know, you're doing something good for the planet.
And that's something where if you're visiting somebody's house like yours and you see this, you're like, I want my own set as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And they have really fun messages on the back too. They little play it forward, happy birthday. They send you little messages like it's, you know, your own private thing. And
so instead of being on your phone in the bathroom, you can now read what's on
your toilet paper packaging. And it's nice and soft too. That's the bamboo.
Wow, amazing. Denise, thank you so much for bringing all these items, helping us with our spring cleaning this spring.
Yes, and your bum cleaning too.
More Morning Live coming up after the break. Good morning.